Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to schedule power on or off on Infinix Hot 4DI device. Well, knowing how to schedule power on or off on your device can be advantageous for several reasons. First, energy savings. You can conserve energy by scheduling your device to power off during periods when it's not in use, such as overnight or during work hours. Second, convenience. Setting a schedule for powering on or off allows you to automate the process, saving you the hassle of manually turning your device on or off at specific times. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the settings menu. And here you have to scroll to the very bottom and select system option. Okay, so now click the schedule power on or off and restart option, and then turn it on by tapping the toggle next to the option. Okay, so here you can set the time of power on or off by tapping on it and set it in this section, whether it is time or repetition. Okay, after finishing, click save here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to schedule power on or off on Infinix Hot 4DI device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.